I'm Dr. Rebecca Dragovic, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the Nuffield Department of Women's and Reproductive Health at the University of Oxford. My role is to investigate the role of extracellular vesicles in endometriosis. We have a very strong interest in all aspects of women's reproductive health. One of the biggest challenges is that we don't actually know what causes endometriosis. How endometriosis is diagnosed is, at the moment, this involves surgery. And actually that's a very invasive procedure. So one of our main goals is we're trying to develop a non-invasive diagnostic test for endometriosis. And extracellular vesicles have the potential to be involved with that. It's very important that we're actually able to look at the size of these vesicles. Once we've isolated the extracellular vesicles, the first experiment that we need to do is to actually make sure that what we think we've isolated is actually correct. So being able to come to an instrument such as the NanoSight Pro would allow us to look at the size and also to look at the concentration, which is very important for us to be able to carry out then downstream experiments. First experience with NanoSight Pro was the self-installation. It was very easy because the interface is very logical. And then in terms of accuracy, I found that I'm getting very reproducible data across the board in terms of intra and inter variability. There are various features that allow the user to really have a look at their data. Say, for example, we had analysed 10 samples from control patient and 10 samples from a patient who had a particular condition or a disease. Actually, with just a press of a button, then we can overlay these and start to look at the differences. The biggest pros that the NanoSight Pro can actually offer is, one, it's very easy to use and it's fast to use. Because it has the capability of doing size, concentration, as well as fluorescence measurements, again, it's a huge advantage in terms of if we're thinking about to utilize this instrument to look at non-invasive biomarkers for a particular disease or condition. This is definitely a fundamental toolkit for general day-to-day workflow.